Guys, welcome all. Another day and new video again today, and this time I have brought for you four American cars which have been famous in the muscle category. So basically you can see those are the four American muscle cars. Okay, we'll not waste time, we'll go one by one. This one is the first one, as you see. This one is known as Chevelle SS station wagon. Okay, this car is very unique. It's there in many movies also, and then unique because of its design. A very lengthy car, as you see. It's a station wagon and looks awesome because of this unique design. Okay, this one is from Hot Wheels, as you see over here. This one is from Hot Wheels. 1970 Chevelle trademark SS station wagon. Okay, trademark General Motors. Obviously General Motors is the manufacturer of Chevrolet. It's a brand owner of Chevrolet. Okay, this is the first one. So very unique car, and not many people know about this car. Only the station wagon lovers or the big car, lengthy car lovers are they know about this car. So it's a very nice car. We have a normal Chevelle also available. So this is a station wagon version of the Chevelle. Okay, next one comes is, this is from a different brand, a lesser known brand. The brand name is called Mercury, and this particular model is called Cyclone. So this model was very famous in the retros movies. Okay, as a cult model. It was used as a stylized model for in the movies, and this is a particular black version I'm showing to you. The black one, black with the red accents. Okay, you can see here it is. This is again from Hot Wheels. Very famous model, but a cult one, and from a lesser known brand. Okay, you can see this has accents on the body over here, red and white accents on the body, both these sides. Okay, and the interior is red. If you can see here, in this case the interior is black. Okay, and in this case the interior is red. Next one coming is the known model Chevrolet Camaro, but this is an older Camaro. This is an old Camaro. You can see over here. Okay, this is not the ZL1 or the normal Camaro which we see nowadays. This is the older Z28 Camaro. So this Camaro was there again in older movies, same, and this has again, if you see, a unique design. See the headlamps. See here the body line. It's different than the normal cars. It's a bit different. Again, there is a accent over here like a spoiler. Okay, which looks very different. It's very different. The color is also different. Then there are accents of white on the front bonnet. It's a big bonnet likewise. So these are very lengthy and muscle cars. Like, if you see, the length of these cars is very big compared to the normal cars. Okay, so this one, as we saw, is the Camaro Z28. And now the last one, but not the least, comes the Chevelle SS. This is the car, it's actually a Chevelle variant only, like this one, but this is an SS, normal SS, not a station wagon. It's a normal SS, Chevelle or Chevrolet SS. No, only they call it, not even Chevelle they call it many times. So this is again from Hot Wheels. Okay, the interior of this car is black. Okay, even in this car, I think there is no interior they have made. That's why they have kept the glasses black. But again, this is a style statement from this car because it is a unique car. And this car, yes, it is open as in these two, but this one has a black interior. This one has a black interior. This one has a red interior. This one has stylized glasses. I said these are both Chevrolets, but you see the alloy wheels different. Here in this case, the two alloys are different colors. The front alloys are different. Wheels are white and the rear wheels are black. Here both wheels are same. Okay, but obviously the design is different, as you see. Okay, here again in this case, 5 double spoke alloy wheels, as you see over here. And this car is lengthy. You see these two cars are very lengthy. See the length of these cars compared to these. This is a smaller car. This again is a smaller car, a bit smaller. But these two are a bit lengthy. And over here, totally different. See, the slanting edges are there. Okay, and very big rear windshield is there. Okay, looks awesome in the real, this car, and it is a very limited edition. And this one too, again, a station wagon. It is a station wagon. So these are the rear thing is very big, as you see. The third row seating or the third row station wagon style compartment is there, that is very big. So these two cars are big compared to this one and this one. These two cars look small, as you see. You can easily see like they look small in front of this. And unique muscle cars from American brand, and definitely this is a collector's favorite actually. For a collector like me, American muscles are a must. So I have collected them. Anyways, I'm looking for some more muscles because these are the ones I got in the 20s and the 10s packs of Hot Wheels. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with more cars, more muscles, more exotics, more collection. Okay, till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye.